How to upgrade premium on InVideo.AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upgrade to premium on InVideo.AI, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to actually upgrade to premium on InVideo.AI, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Just go to InVideo.io and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Right now from here what you have to do is, on the top right hand side you'll find the upgrade button, so you can just click on that upgrade link, and here you'll see different type of plans. For the free ones, the plus ones is for creators and that will give you $20 a month, and the max one is actually for those users who want the maximum features from you. So you'll get 200 minutes of per month of AI generation content, then you'll get 320 month iStock images, 400 gigabytes of storage, unlimited exports, and 5 voice clones, and up to 1 user. So depending on which one you want to get, you can simply go ahead and then select that. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.